Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our tool Last Inspection Data. We use Last Inspection Data to pre-populate a new inspection with the data from the previous inspection. This has two main purposes: either to reuse the data for the new inspection, or to use the data on site for comparison reasons. The first thing you'll need to check is that the setting is enabled on your Inspection Manager account. To check that the setting is enabled, log into your Inspection Manager account, click on Settings, and then ensure all the last inspection data settings are switched on. Let's go through and add our inspection now. So we need to add our inspection through the website. What we do is log in and we find the property that we need to inspect. So today I'm going to be inspecting 1 Happy Street. So I'll just type it in the search bar at the top. So within 1 Happy Street, we can see that there are 6 completed inspections. For our last inspection data inspection, we're going to be completing a new ingoing inspection using the data from the outgoing inspection. We want to take all of this data on site with us so that we can reuse it for the new inspection. So we need to exit out of this screen. An important note with last inspection data is the previous inspection needs to be in the closed status on the website, and then click where it says Add a New Inspection. Once we select the word ingoing, an option will come up saying last inspection data. We select the drop down and we select the data from the previous inspection that we'd like to take with us. I'm going to select the most recent outgoing inspection. Now we have an option to highlight these 3 boxes. What they stand for are conditions, comments, and photos. In our case, we want to take all of the data from the previous inspection. So we're going to highlight all these 3 boxes. So what we've just done is added a new inspection, and we're taking all the data from the previous inspection with us. Be also careful to take with you photos. All photos that you take through Inspection Manager have time and date stamps on them. They can't be altered or removed. So just be careful when you're taking with you photos from a previous inspection. If needed, you can also take more photos on site. Now we move into the field and we're going to complete our inspection. We log into the app and tap our inspection list. You'll see the inspections here waiting for us. We'll just need to tap and sync the data from the previous report. To start our inspection, all we do is we tap Perform Inspection. You'll notice that the inspection actually looks blank, but if we tap into each area, you'll see the data from the previous inspection. What we can do with this is either use it for comparison reasons, or we can reuse it for the new report. To reuse the data, we can either go through and tap on them individually, or if the data is all the same, you can go through each area and use the Quick Select option just by tapping the circles here. That will reapply all the data from the previous inspection for you. If you need to make any edits to the report, all you need to do is tap open what you'd like to edit and then change the comment, condition, or photo. We can also add any new photos just by tapping on the photo icon as usual. Once we've done this in each section, all we need to do is sync the report back to the website, and that new report will have the data from the previous inspection. As you can see, the inspection is now synced and completed on the website. As usual, just open the report, check and do any edits, and then close off the inspection. Last inspection data is a great tool to save you time when you're doing your new inspections. If the property is in similar or same condition, you can use the data from the previous inspection so that you don't have to do a full new inspection. If you have any questions about last inspection data, feel free to contact us on our number or use our live chat.